Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to study biology by Vipin Sharma, full guide. Start by creating a weekly plan that maps chapters to study sessions and review slots. Prioritize core concepts and label weaker areas for immediate review. Use active recall and spaced repetition when possible. Keep sessions focused and short, and mix reading with diagram drawing. Aim to test yourself after each session to build confidence and retention. Use active learning to increase retention and understanding when studying biology. Create flashcards for definitions and processes, and quiz yourself until answers are instant. Sketch diagrams, label components, and narrate mechanisms to strengthen mental models. Convert passive notes into questions and answer them aloud as if teaching someone else. Combine multiple methods in one session to keep learning dynamic and effective. If you're finding these tips helpful, please subscribe and like the video to support more content. Quick recommendation: stay hydrated with the Owala water bottle, which fits cup holders and keeps water cold during long study stints. It's a small habit that boosts focus and comfort. I've added a link and some deals in the description so you can check it out. Now let's get back to the video. When preparing for exams, focus on targeted practice and honest review of errors. Simulate exam conditions with timed past papers and mark performance objectively. Identify patterns in frequently tested topics and allocate extra review time there. After each mock test, correct mistakes, rewrite weak notes, and convert errors into flashcard prompts. Repeat this cycle until content becomes second nature and confidence rises before the real exam.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.